Hi guys, we have found a dead snake. We are going to throw it at one of my girls' cats. This is going to be hilarious. Okay guys, we're back. Okay, you can see I have the snake and my cat is down there. Let's go.
Are you alive?
No.
What are you doing?
We're having a picture of the snake. It doesn't
God. Where's another cat? Here we go. Hilarious. That wasn't that hilarious. Okay. We're back and we're doing it with this cat again. Snake
Yeah,
cat.
Wait, can you stop a minute?
He doesn't seem like a scared cat. I think he was the one who killed it anyway. Okay. Come on, dude. It's a snake. Evil. Ready, ready?
You found a dead snake.
I don't think she liked that. Okay. Time again. Oh! That looked like she freaked her out. Okay, now with a dog. Okay, it didn't freak the dog out. I need to get the snake.
I'm going to eat you.
Okay, guys, we have one cat left. I got the snake. Okay, we are going. His name is Ginger. Okay, guys, we couldn't find Ginger, but we're going to scare some humans now. Nah, let's not scare humans. Okay, guys, we're back, and we're going to try it with my dog again. Okay, here, guys. Here's the snake. I don't know where its head is. There. There's my dog.
The snake in the pool.
Nah, it didn't work. Okay, she's sniffing it. I am so sorry, but my cat killed that. I feel guilty. Guilty. Guilty, I tell you. Guilty. Come on. Come on, dog. Ready? Nah. She ain't freaking out. Okay, guys, I'm going to end it. Where's the snake? Should be down there. Can you see it? Yep. Okay. We're ending it, and that was the first cat we did. No, that is wrong. That is the cat that killed it. I feel so sorry. Diesel, leave it. Okay, bye. Sorry, don't leave pause it. Doggy, where are you? My dad over there. Okay. My snake over there. Diesel, leave it.